What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day today. It's a lot better day today than it was yesterday out here on the homestead. I got the sheep back here behind me. That little lamb over there is doing great with its mama. She's actually taking care of it just fine. The other one, you see me bottle feed it. That's what we're going to be doing. It's going to be in the house for a while. What I try to do is slowly introduce the lamb to the flock, just a couple minutes each day. Jesse's going after the sheep, after Steve actually. Introduce the little lamb just a little bit every day or when I can. That way when it gets big enough where we can leave it out here for periods of time, it's going to be safe. They're not going to be messing with it. They're going to be used to it. They're going to be used to the smell. So that's the purpose for that. But today I got something going on that I've been putting off for a while, just because I really didn't need to have it done yet. But I'm going to put a gate in, and I'll show you guys that. And I saved some money on this gate, and I'll show you what I'm going to do to fix the problem that I got. Let me show it to you. You can see the gate right here. So I got a little 4-foot gap right here. I've always intended to put a gate, just haven't done it. Well, since I got these landing stations pinned in here, it's kind of been an inconvenience to walk all the way around, come all the way over here just to check on the sheep every time. So I'm going to install this gate today, and I'll tell you what I'm talking about when I save some money. These little pipe gates that cost about $45 at Atwood's. You can buy them that's already got the fit like little fence on it. You can see the big gaps. It has a little fence on it. I can't even think of the name that you would call that kind of fence. But they were like $85 just to add that little piece on there. What I'm going to do, what I did some other one, is I'm going to put some chain link fence on there, and I'll show you all doing that. So after I install that gate, I'm going to show you guys a little addition that we're going to have come to the homestead. It's kind of a surprise, so I don't know if I'll ruin the big surprise today or not, but I'm going to give you guys a little hint, so stay tuned for that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, smash that like button like always, and I hope you enjoy it. I finally got it done. That has been a nuisance for a while. I'm glad I did it. Took the time to do it today. I should have done it when I was building the fence, but you know how that goes. I'm always trying to pinch a penny here and there. I didn't want to spend the $45 3 years ago, so I spend it today. That's how it is. That's kind of how I work. It's kind of funny, but we got the little gate up. That's going to make life a lot easier, not only on me, but on my wife and kids too, because now it's going to be a lot easier to convince them to come out here and do what they need to do. And they can just walk right into the pen. Before they're walking way over there, like I said. That's not that far, but whenever it's cold and windy, even rainy and snow and sleet, it's pretty far. So we got that done. I may have to come back and maybe just tweak it a little bit, but right now it looks pretty good. I don't know if the gate's on level or if it's my post leaning. Pretty sure my post started to lean. I need to do a little bit of repair on this whole lot I got going on here. But you can see, I thought those T-posts were on a pallet, but they weren't. They were just sitting here on the ground. So I got them up out of the mud. And we're gonna start driving T-posts here pretty quickly. I'm gonna put another fence up, and we're gonna get things where we can start rotating pastures. We got these little lambs going on, and we're gonna be busy in the next until spring probably, because I got a lot of things planned, and I got a pretty good surprise going on. I'm gonna give you guys a little hint. I'm not gonna tell you what it is yet. You have to wait for the next couple videos or something. I haven't decided what I'm gonna show you all, but we are gonna have a new addition to the homestead, and my wife doesn't know about it, so I don't know if she'll watch all this video. If she does, Brandy, we're gonna have a new addition, not lambs either. Something I've never had before, and I've been wanting for a long time. So I bit the bullet, ordered everything, and I'm excited to show y'all. I'm gonna give you a little hint here in just a little bit, and you guys guess down below. What do you think I'm gonna be getting? I got everything ready to go. I'm probably gonna start this within the next day or two. So let me know down below once you see what I got, what you think I'm gonna start having here on the farm. Oh yeah, it's gonna make things a lot easier. Come in here, got my old gate going on. If I need to, you can latch it from. I'll tell you one thing I've learned from experience: always latch your gates behind you. It doesn't take but a second, but trust me, I've got laziness out. It's gonna be all right. Well, the wind blows it open and all the animals take off. I may have to adjust this just a little bit, bring those in maybe another inch or probably 2 inches. We'll see how it goes. It's not that big of a gap. It fits, it's perfect over here, so we'll see how it goes. If I can just walk in here and I can check on the old lamb. Should have been 4 in here, but what is that? Oh no. Oh, she's got. Oh, gotta get that cleaned off so she can poop better. Mama needs to clean her off. Mama needs to start doing a little bit better job of cleaning baby off. Got her all cleaned out. Yeah, usually Mama will keep the baby cleaned up down there. It's kind of like that. What's Jesse doing? Look at Jesse. What are you doing, buddy? You can lick my whole ear. Don't bite my ear off. I only got 2 of them. I need them. But yeah, Mama usually should keep them off. But these 2 ewes were first-time mamas. They're 2-year-olds. Didn't have babies last year, but I had them this year, and they're just not experienced mamas. That's one thing about having goats and sheep that aren't experienced. Sometimes you have to do things like that. Sometimes you have to intervene. We didn't get to intervene on the other 2, but we got the other one, that one taken care of, and I'll be keeping an eye on this one. She's actually doing a really good job, other than, you can see. But everything's going good, guys. It's a lot better day today, so that's always a good thing. So that's all I got for y'all today, other than to say stay tuned for the little surprise I'm going to show you here in a minute. You can see babies down there drinking, getting some milk, eating. So that's a good thing. Everything's going good. I do have plans. I want to build one more of these shelters and have it right over there. Not just for lambing, but just for maybe a night pen. I'm going to have 2 of these set up just like this. They don't look half bad, so I'm going to go for it. And I got the gate set up now, so now we can go in and out with ease. This is awesome. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, like always, smash that like button. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe right there. Click that little button, and you can click the little bell for notifications too if you get a chance. And I'm going to show you guys a little surprise. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next video.